Hello, 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 hello. This is me, Audrey Amara. So, let's eat hot dog. Sarah, for today, sorry. So guys, this video pala guys, for the solo ko guys, because they are left. Sorry to biting the vlog guys, kahit saan man. Social distancing, ako sa bayan din. Ako sa bayan guys, sila. Ako sa bayan, then sila nasutog nilaran. So, this is with me, my cousin. Masya, kwarto nila Tiyo, jud guys. Na guys, tama kwarto nila Tiyo guys. Pero, hala! Guys, pero, simple naman ni guys, naka-couch hotdog. Cut po ko guys. So, wala ko yung magawang content guys. So, mudong ta sa akong mga kaibigan guys. So, let's call Leia Kim. Let's go. Nakalimutan ko guys. Hindi ko kayo isasama guys because it's so lapok-lapok here. Okay, let's go. Joke guys. Ako sa Tagbilaran guys, pero social distancing yan po guys. Sila naswilahan ako. Absent job. It's a vacation na guys. Let's go. Guys, sorry kayo kay sila Kim guys. Nasa dao. Social distancing yun guys. Yeah. Si Raven, nasa Coca-Cola. My God. Guys, ako mag-solo lang dyan ko guys. So, mag-makeup ko Latina. So, let's go. Vlog sa karong ko guys. Bye-bye. Bush.